Alright, so this is how it happened. This is me driving. Okay. She came up behind me. I had my turn signal on. I was turning like this. She never stopped, and pow, hit me like that. So I finished pulling in to right here, and she pulled up behind me. I got out and saw that she was still out in the road, so I said, hey, even though your radiator's busted, why don't you pull out in front of me? This way you don't get any further damage to your car. So she pulled it up here like this. Then time-lapse hour later, cop goes driving by, realizes he missed the turn, comes around, comes in here, and he parked there like that. Just in case anyone needed a visual representation of what happened. I'd like to thank my son for the props of this recreation.